Alrighty, well, this is my first unboxing video, and I wasn't sure if I was going to do it, but because we have the EVO Max 4T rugged bundle, I decided I would go ahead. Just received it from UPS. Bought it from Autel Robotics. It came in this box wrapped with plastic, and it had this box beside it. So I think the first thing we'll do is go ahead and open this box, see what we have in here. I suspect it's the battery. Now if you can't see what I'm doing, there we go. There we go, that's the smart battery. This came taped on top of the package. It all came secure, UPS, signature required. There you go, there's our smart battery. I will set it over to the back here. And let's get to unboxing the main piece of equipment. This is a rough video. I'm not a good content creator. I don't have all of the fancy equipment. All I have is my trusty little Android phone and a tripod. So, first thing to do is now remember, this is the rugged bundle. Oh boy, more tape. And we have our rugged case. Nothing else left in the box. This isn't as big as the Enterprise case, but it's a pretty nice looking case. There we go. Feels real sturdy. And let's see what we have in here. Push down. Latch. Ah, looks very nice. There's our smart controller, version 3. There's our 4T. And the battery. It looks as if I was given an extra battery in this. There we go. Smart battery. Goes in the holder. We have room for 3 batteries. Let's see what we have here. Alright, well, let's get the fun thing out real quick. Oh, this is amazingly light. As you see, the battery is not in here. Has the protectors on the propellers. Hoping that you guys can, I hope that y'all can see this pretty good. get a good look. Has the gimbal cover, everything looks good on here. And as you know, the gimbal cover will remove. But I think that I'll just leave it alone right now. I'm going to set this out of the way for a moment. Okay, back to the unboxing. Here's our Intel or Autel smart controller. As I say, this is the version 3. I don't believe it works with any version 2 equipment. So if you have version 2, you might want to check on that for the EVOs and things like that. I know that my EVO 2 controller works with my version 2 stuff. And of course, there's the antennas, joysticks, and it feels lighter than the version 2. It's a very nice looking controller. It's very light. Has all of the same features that the version 2 has. And we'll move to the next little spot of this. Alright, so now we're going to remove the cover inside the case. Here's the charger for the drone, or for the batteries, excuse me. And there's the connector. This is the 120 volt charger. There's some extra blades. Here's the screwdriver that comes with it. It's a nice little precision type screwdriver. There's some more blades. It looks like a total of 4 blades here so far, and it looks like that's about it. So you have actually it's 2 blades. So you have 2 blades that come with it. Here's a little card, tells you how to get a hold of them if you have any satisfaction issues. Here is the instruction manual, I believe. There's the EVO Max 4 quick start guide. Here's a microfiber towel, and that's all that's in that package. So as far as documentation goes, you have your quick start guide, and you have a card in case you have any problems with the delivery or the product. Here's your lanyard for the smart controller. That's a very good thing to have. You have a USB connection, so for your plane or for your Autel to connect to your computer, I believe. Here's another connector. That one is, I believe, for your remote control. There's something in here that this is your extra set of joysticks, if I'm correct. Yes. There you go. There's your extra set of joysticks to go with you for your smart controller. Very quick unboxing. Very nice packaging, compact, fairly lightweight. The whole package it weighed 21 pounds. And I believe here it has your list of accessories and things and where they would be placed in the case. A couple of scanned codes. And so I will. There you go. This is what you get in the rugged bundle. There you have it. That's the unboxing of the Autel EVO Max 4T rugged bundle. Thanks for watching.